Looking for the best automatic smart cat litter box? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll dive into the top options that make cleaning up after your feline friend effortless and stress-free. From smart features to odor control, these litter boxes take convenience and hygiene to a whole new level. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Tonepie T Pro 65L Smart Cat Litter Box. Say goodbye to messy litter box chores with the Tonepie T Pro 65L Smart Cat Litter Box. Designed to make life easier for pet owners, this self-cleaning litter box offers convenience and innovation like never before. With automatic cleaning modes, it handles the dirty work for you. The one-click litter replacement function means no more scooping, just empty and refill in seconds. Its innovative ionic deodorization technology eliminates odors safely and effectively, without the need for replacement filters. Every time your cat finishes, the box works to keep your home smelling fresh. Perfect for homes with up to 3 adult cats, it requires minimal maintenance. The two-part design makes cleaning and assembly simple, and the litter cylinder is even flushable for easy upkeep. Stay in control with the Smart app. Monitor usage, set cleaning modes, and receive alerts when the bin is full, all from anywhere in the world. Cat happily stepping out of the box, transition to the litter box with its unique design highlighted. Its patented design ensures safety, comfort, and accessibility for all cats, including short-legged ones. The Tonepie T Pro 65L isn't just a litter box, it's a game-changer for pet care. Fourth product on our list, LZJV Cat Litter Box. The LZJV Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is an innovative solution for cat owners. Designed with a super large space, it accommodates even the biggest cats comfortably. It's perfect for multi-cat households, offering ample room for movement and minimizing litter scatter. With its IR infrared sensor system, the box ensures automatic cleaning without interruptions. Its built-in anti-pinching safety monitoring adds an extra layer of security, protecting both cats and owners during operation. The fully detachable design makes cleaning quick and hassle-free. Its low-noise operation of less than or equal to 45 dB ensures it won't disturb your household while keeping the litter box spotless. Stay connected with the Smart app. Monitor your cat's health, set sleep and cleaning schedules, and even receive reminders when the litter or trash bin needs attention. The UV disinfection system adds another level of cleanliness and safety. With advanced features like multi-cat recognition, real-time updates, and negative ion sterilization, the LZJV Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is a modern, reliable choice for pet care. It's a step forward in convenience and hygiene. Third product on our list, Voford Automatic Litter Box for Cat. The Voford Automatic Cat Litter Box brings effortless cleaning and comfort for your feline friend. This self-cleaning box eliminates the need for scooping, keeping your home fresh and odor-free. Its user-friendly design makes setup simple. Plus, the convenient waste compartment ensures hassle-free disposal, so you can spend more time enjoying your cat's company. Designed for comfort, this box provides a spacious, private environment. Its gentle cleaning mechanism ensures a stress-free experience for your cat every time. Stay connected with your pet through the Wi-Fi-enabled Smart app. Monitor the cleanliness and hygiene of the litter box remotely, even when you're not home. Built with durable, eco-friendly materials, the Voford Automatic Cat Litter Box is a perfect blend of convenience, hygiene, and comfort. Ideal for busy pet owners, it's the ultimate solution for your cat's needs. Second product on our list, Neakasa M1 Smart Cat Litter Box. The Neakasa M1 Smart Cat Litter Box brings ultimate convenience to cat owners. With its efficient self-cleaning system, you no longer need to scoop litter manually. The box features 4 intelligent modes to adapt to your cat's needs, ensuring a clean environment every time. Designed with a semi-closed structure, it offers privacy for your cat while keeping odors contained. The open-top design makes it easy for cats to enter and exit comfortably. With a 7.17 L litter box capacity and a 11.23 L waste compartment, the Neakasa M1 is suitable for most cats, offering ample space for your pet to move freely. The low-noise operation ensures no disturbances. Thanks to its app control, you can monitor and manage the litter box remotely, making it ideal for busy pet owners. First product on our list, Petkit Pura Max 2 Smart Litter Box. The Petkit Pura Max 2 Smart Cat Litter Box, the ultimate solution for hassle-free cat care. This self-cleaning, odor-removing litter box is equipped with a 75L capacity and offers a fully enclosed design, making it ideal for your feline friend. Whether you're using bentonite, tofu, or mixed cat litter, this box is versatile and easy to maintain. The Petkit Pura Max 2 comes with a 7L waste box and a 6L litter capacity, providing ample space for cats weighing between 1.5 kilograms to 10 kilograms. With a 12-volt power system and a low energy consumption of 24 watts, it's efficient yet powerful. Thanks to the smart app control, you can monitor and manage cleaning remotely. The odor removal system ensures your home stays fresh and clean. The smart sensors and safety features add peace of mind, ensuring your pet is always safe. This high-quality, eco-friendly litter box is a must-have for busy cat owners. Experience ultimate hygiene and comfort for your cat with the Petkit Pura Max 2 today.